This is picture 1 and this is picture 2. When you put both of these into Luma Labs, you get something like this. This is a new feature called Keyframes on Dream Machine by Luma Labs. With keyframes, you can input two distinct images. One becomes the start scene and the other the end scene. Luma Labs creates a seamless transition that blends both scenes beautifully. The results are truly amazing. Many creators are sharing their outcomes with Luma Labs keyframes, and they are visually stunning. If you want to try, comment Luma and I will send you the link to try this out. Everybody's been talking about this image and video because they're made completely by AI using a brand new free model called Flux.1, which some are calling the Midjourney killer. Curious to see it in action? Gain free access to the Pro model at Flux Pro. Want to add movement to your images? Try Dream Machine from Luma Labs for 30 free generations per day. Check out the results for yourself and see how these AI tools can elevate your creative projects. Comment Flux and I will send you the link. I turned this image into video in seconds and you can do the same using AI. Just visit Meta AI, describe how you want the image and click generate. Now click animate to turn this image into video and your video will be ready in seconds. To try this AI, comment AI to get AI linked.